Given that string sc is equal to clock, string st is equal to time. Looking at the first line, you just draw sc and st like this. Okay, sc is equal to clock, clock. What are the index numbers? Index numbers you can write either at the top or at the bottom. Begins at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is st time 0, 1, 2, 3. Just write like this as soon as you get the question. Now, so two variables are declared. So two variables we have declared in the memory. Next, int l is equal to sc dot length. Okay. So now next one is a variable called l, and what is the value of l? Sc dot length. What is sc? This one. What is the length function? What is the length of clock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Int l is equal to sc dot length. Okay. So l is equal to 5. The next one. String p1 is equal to another string we are going to create, that is p1, that is equal to st dot substring of 0 comma 2. What is st? This one. Substring of 0 comma 2 means you will take only 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Which are the characters? ti. 0 comma 2 means you will take only 0 and 1. So ti. Okay, ti. So this part gives you ti. p1 is equal to ti. Then string p2 is equal to string p2. P2 is equal to sc dot substring of 3 comma l. What is sc? This is sc. Sc dot substring of 3 comma l. What is l? L is 5. So 3 comma l means 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 means only 3 and 4. 3 and 4 from sc. From sc, which are the characters in 3 and 4? C and k. C and k. So that is ck. Write like this. Okay, p2 is equal to ck. Now system.out.print, we are printing, and after printing the answer, cursor waits there on that line. Okay, p1 plus p2. What is p1? ti. p2 ck. What is ti plus ck? Ti plus ck you have studied, plus acts as a concatenation operator also. So ti plus ck means it is ti ck. So what will be the output here? ti ck will be printed in the first line, and cursor waits there. Okay, then here you can see string s is equal to another variable s, and string s is equal to st dot concat of sc. What is st? St is time. Time dot concat of sc. What is sc? Clock. Time dot concat of clock. First word is time. To the end of time we are concatenating clock. So what is the answer? Time clock. So s is equal to time clock. clock. Time clock. And you are printing the value of s. Okay, printing the value of s. So time clock will be printed. Where it will be printed? Time clock will be printed where? In the same line here itself. Since we haven't used println here, after printing tick, next to tick, here itself what will be printed? Time clock will be printed. Okay, so let us use a variable here, println. So first word is tick. Next to the tick, what will be printed? Time clock will be printed, and after printing, cursor goes to the next line because ln is there, so goes to the next line. Okay, so here actually tick is first word. Next to that, what will be printed? Time clock will be printed. Okay, this is the output of this line, and after that cursor goes down. Next, string q is equal to one more variable we have to declare. What is that? It is string q. So let us declare a variable q. sc dot char at of 2. What is sc? Sc is this one, clock. This is sc. Sc dot char at of 2 means you have to take out the character from the second index of sc. This is sc. From the second index, take out the character. What is that? O. It is O. So this part gives you O as the answer. In small with a pencil you can write here O. Dot concat of. Okay, this is the inner string. Here what should come? St dot substring of 2 comma 3. What is st? St is time. Time dot substring of 2 comma 3 means only 2. Okay, time dot substring of 2. What is a substring of 2? 2 is this one, m only. So here this part gives you m. So O dot concat of m, that means O m will be joined together, and Q will be having O m. Okay, and we are printing the value of Q. So in the next line, what will be printed? O m will be printed, and after that means here O m will be printed, and cursor goes to the next line. Now SOPLN. Okay, what are you going to print? SC dot compare to of ST. What is SC? SC is clock. You are comparing clock with ST. ST is time. So here clock will be compared with time. So when you compare, you first take out the first two characters C and T. If they are same, you have to compare the second characters and then write the corresponding answer. If all the characters are same, the answer will be 0. Otherwise, you have to check one by one. Okay. If here the starting itself, that is a difference. So you need to check here, compare, and you can stop. C is compared with T. From C, okay, C and T, which is smaller, first string is smaller. So you will get a negative number. You will get a negative because C is smaller than T, so negative number. Now what is the difference between C and T? You can count from C onwards. After C, which is the next letter, after C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. It is 17. So minus 17 is the answer. Okay. Then here SOP LN, you are printing. Okay. Printing. LN means after printing, cursor goes to next line. SC dot index of capital C. This is SC. What is the index of capital C? Index of means you will check for the index of the character C from the beginning of the string. So which is the index of capital C? 0 only. Okay, 0 only. So here this part gives you 0. This is 0. 0 plus. Last index of C. Last index of C is from the last you will take. This is C. And what is the index of C? 3. So 0 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3. What is 0 plus 3? This is a number. Number plus number means plus acts as addition operator. 0 plus 3 is 3. So what will be the output of this one? Output will be 3. Now next line, SOPLN. Okay. Inner you can see here one thing is A, here also one thing is A. First these two should be done. Okay, these two should be done, and from that this is the outer function. First you have to find out the inner bracket. This one should be done, then this one, and together this one. So what is SC dot index of C? SC dot index of C is 0. So here you will get 0. What is SC dot last index of C? Last index of C is 3. 0 plus 3. What is 0 plus 3? 3. So this much part gives you what as answer? 3 as answer. Now SC dot character of 3. What is a character present at index number 3 of SC? This is SC index number 3. What is a character present at index number of 3? C. So SOPLN of that means here the output will be, what will be the output here? Capital C. Okay. So these are the important functions. Like this you have to write. All the best.